We have set what I think of as a primitive example, not for future generations to follow, but for future generations to improve upon. All men are created equal means that the earth belongs to the living, not to the dead. With that in mind, I hope that the words in this document, our Declaration of Independence, serve to continually remind each succeeding generation that they are our future peers. And as our peers, it is not for them to place us on pedestals, but rather to take their rightful place beside us in the never-ending fight against tyranny. They will achieve this by encouraging the progress of science in all its branches, and not by raising a hue and cry against the sacred name of philosophy, nor by awing the human mind by stories of raw head and bloody bones to a distrust of its own vision, and to repose implicitly on that of others, to go backwards instead of forwards to look for improvement, to believe that government, religion, morality, and every other science were in the highest perfection in ages of the darkest ignorance, and that nothing can ever be devised more perfect than what was established by their forefathers. If by contemplation of the words in the Declaration of Independence, future generations can know that they are in full possession of the sacred fire of liberty, and that they can and must spread the light from that flame to enlighten the world more than was possible for the generation that first kindled that flame, that will mean that America has improved, not become perfect, but more perfect. And I believe that is all we can hope for.